electric car sharing operator BlueSG is back in business. That's after being hit by a massive network outage lasting about 12 hours. Now, it all started around 6 a.m.
As a token of apology, BlueSG says it has credited free 15-minute rentals to its members, valid until Friday. During the outage, users couldn't book cars or dock vehicles at the company's charging stations.
A BlueSG spokesman told CNA that the outage was a network outage and there was no issue with its app, cars or charging stations.